Here's how to stop desktop background automatically changing in Windows. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. From the left-hand menu, select Personalization, then click on Background. Next, to personalize your background, make sure the option is set to either Picture or Solid Color. If it's set to Slideshow or Windows Spotlight, your desktop background may automatically change. So, select Picture and choose one of the available images, or select your own picture. If the background is still changing, the next step is to adjust your power settings. Open the Start menu and search for Control Panel. Open it, then make sure View By in the top right corner is set to large icons. Now, select Power Options. Next to your current power plan, click Change Plan Settings. Then, select Change Advanced Power Settings. Expand Desktop Background Settings, then expand Slideshow. Change the options for both, on battery and plugged in, from available to paused. Click Apply and then OK to save the changes. If your background is still changing automatically, the final step is to check for third-party wallpaper applications. Open the Start menu and go to Settings. Select Apps, then click on Installed Apps. Use the search box and type Wallpaper. Look through the results for any applications that may be automatically changing your desktop background. If you've installed a third-party wallpaper application, such as BioniX or similar software, uninstall it. Once you've removed any third-party wallpaper applications, check your desktop again. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.